In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart Hubstaff in just 5 minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply resetting your application, these steps will guide you through restarting Hubstaff smoothly and efficiently. Now, let's get started. The first step in this process is to locate the Hubstaff icon on your computer. You'll typically find this icon in your system's tray area or taskbar, which is usually positioned near the clock at the bottom right corner of your screen on Windows or at the top on a Mac. This area allows you quick access to applications that are running in the background. If you're having trouble spotting it, you might need to click on the small arrow in the system tray to reveal more icons on some systems. Once you've successfully located the Hubstaff icon, you'll want to right-click on it. This will open a contextual menu with various options. Here, you should see an option that allows you to exit or close the application completely. By selecting this option, you shut down the Hubstaff client entirely. This step is crucial because it ensures a full restart rather than just minimizing or pausing the application. After closing the application, the next step is to restart Hubstaff by reopening the program. To do this, navigate to where the application is located on your computer. This could be the desktop, the Start menu, or your Applications folder. Look for the Hubstaff app and click on it to open it. By doing this, you're initiating a fresh start of the application, which triggers a reconnection to the Hubstaff servers. This simple action is often effective in resolving many connectivity or functionality issues you might encounter. It's worth mentioning that this process does not erase any data, but instead refreshes the system's connection, paving the way for smoother operation. And there you have it. Following these steps should help you restart Hubstaff effortlessly. It involves 3 simple actions: locating and closing the application, then reopening it. This process can be particularly helpful if you're experiencing glitches or need to reset the client for a more reliable performance. Restarting applications like this are a common and effective troubleshooting technique that can be applied to many other instances beyond just Hubstaff. Thank you for tuning in to today's session. Remember, if you have consistent issues or if restarting doesn't resolve your problem, it might be worthwhile to reach out to Hubstaff's support for further assistance. They're quite responsive and should be able to address any deeper technical difficulties you might face. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.